When you feel like quitting and starting over, sit down and listen to these words again. Do you know what drains the most life energy? The ignition, the push, trying to roll that massive stone in front of you until it gains momentum. And yet, you're ready to start from scratch just because your current path got difficult, because it became bumpy or slow. That promise of a fresh start is like a siren song. It sings to you of possibilities while pulling your mind away from the real challenges in front of you right now. Dreaming of a fresh start in your job, your business, or your marriage. It's an illusion, a boyish fantasy, and a symptom of the flakiness that's burned you since childhood. If you're watching this, you've probably landed here for a reason. Your greatest problem, like mine, is the inability to endure periods of stillness and resistance. Moments when nothing moves, when there are no signs, no rewards, no applause. We were raised like this, a whole generation, shaped by likes, badges, stickers, and praise. External markers of success. Do you know what those are? Candy, sweet, pleasant, and instant. But they rot your soul. They cause decay of character and dull your mind. They make you sluggish, addicted, and eventually, they trap you. You start craving only what's pleasurable and fast, more and more until one day, life hits you with real hardship, and you beg for your drug, but it doesn't come. I won't lie to you. It's possible to succeed fast in this world. There are ways, but here's the truth. Nothing is free. The price is always there, and sometimes that price is your soul. Selling your uniqueness for something cheap and popular. Deep down, you're not willing to do that. You want the reward, but you don't want to betray your path. And that's where your inner conflict begins. You're standing at a crossroads now, and there are three paths in front of you. Option 1, quit what you're doing. Honestly, it would make some sense. What you're doing is hard, it's not profitable, and it no longer brings you joy. That's a deadly combination. The promise of a new beginning in a business or relationship is seductive. But when quitting is based solely on the fact that it's hard, then history shows the new start often ends in disaster. Ask yourself, will your next project be free of challenges? And when those challenges appear, what will you do then? Option 2, ignore your feelings. Push through. Be stubborn. We're flooded with content preaching perseverance, so this might feel like the noble path. And don't get me wrong, determination is what we want to build here. But is it really wise to slam your head against the wall and charge blindly forward? Is that success? Being stubborn without reflection is dangerous. You might be walking in the wrong direction, yet because you're determined, you don't admit it. You keep going. That's not strength, that's pride, and it will break you. Option 3 is the one I'm offering you. Before you give up, sit down and start the hardest process known to man. Thinking, real thinking, not self-pity, not blaming, not fantasizing, real inner reflection. If you started a project, a job, a relationship, there was a reason. Something lit a spark in you, something inspired you, and you've lost it. The details vary, but the pattern is the same. You lost your joy, and people who have joy can do things for hours, without praise, without reward, just for the love of it. If the challenges crushed you, it means you lost the spark. That's what reflection is for, to help you find it again, to not change your path, but to change how you walk it. And yes, it sounds simple, but most people would rather quit than admit they made a mistake. We fear the truth. We fear facing ourselves. So we run, but the rare few, they sit down, admit they got lost, and find a new way forward. That is the true test of character. That is how a foundation is built. That is how you become uncommon. So before you give up, do this one thing. Sit and think. You will never regret it. Master that, and you will become wise, unstoppable, and deeply human. I salute you.